creatures that have captivated human interest for centuries. From their unique physiological adaptations to their diverse ecological roles, snakes exhibit a wide range of intriguing characteristics. This comprehensive exploration delves into various aspects of snake biology, behavior, and interactions with humans, encompassing the depth and breadth of these remarkable reptiles. Snakes are part of the order Squamata, which they share with lizards. Their evolutionary journey began around 100 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. Early snakes likely evolved from burrowing or aquatic lizard ancestors. This evolutionary shift led to the elongation of their bodies and the loss of limbs, allowing them to exploit new ecological niches. There are over 3,600 species of snakes distributed across every continent except Antarctica. This diversity is evident in their sizes, habitats, and behaviors. From the tiny thread snake, which measures just a few inches, to the massive reticulated python, which can grow over 20 feet long, snakes exhibit a wide range of physical forms and ecological adaptations. Snakes possess a highly flexible spine composed of up to 400 vertebrae, each attached to a pair of ribs. This structure allows for their characteristic undulating movement. Despite their lack of limbs, snakes can move efficiently through various environments, including water, trees, and underground burrows. Snake skin is covered in scales which provide protection and aid in locomotion. These scales are made of keratin, the same material found in human hair and nails. Snakes periodically shed their skin in a process called ecdysis. This shedding, which occurs several times a year, allows for growth and the removal of parasites. Snakes have highly developed sensory systems to compensate for their lack of limbs and limited hearing. Their eyesight varies widely among species. Some have excellent vision, while others are nearly blind. They rely heavily on their sense of smell, which is enhanced by their forked tongues and the Jacobson's organ. This organ, located in the roof of the mouth, allows them to detect chemical cues in the environment. About 600 species of snakes are venomous. Venom is produced in specialized glands and delivered through hollow or grooved fangs. Snake venom is a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes that can immobilize prey, aid in digestion, and deter predators. The composition of venom varies between species and can have neurotoxic, hemotoxic, or cytotoxic effects. Snakes exhibit a variety of reproductive strategies. Most species are oviparous, laying eggs that hatch outside the mother's body. Some, like the rattlesnakes and boa constrictors, are ovoviviparous, where the eggs hatch inside the mother and the young are born live. A few species are viviparous, giving birth to live young without egg formation. Snakes are carnivorous and have evolved to consume a wide range of prey, including insects, birds, mammals, amphibians, and other reptiles. They have flexible jaws connected by elastic ligaments, allowing them to swallow prey larger than their heads. Constriction and envenomation are common methods for subduing prey. Snakes inhabit a wide variety of environments, from tropical rainforests and deserts to grasslands and oceans. Each species has adapted to its specific habitat, whether it involves burrowing underground, climbing trees, or swimming in water. Their widespread distribution and ecological versatility make them integral components of many ecosystems. Snakes have been prominent in human culture and mythology. In many cultures, they are revered as symbols of fertility, rebirth, and wisdom. For instance, the Ouroboros, an ancient symbol depicting a snake eating its own tail, represents the cyclical nature of life. In contrast, in some cultures, snakes are feared and associated with danger and deceit, as seen in the biblical story of Adam and Eve. Snake venom has significant medical and scientific applications. Research on snake venom has led to the development of various medications, including anticoagulants, pain relievers, and treatments for hypertension. Antivenoms, which are crucial for treating snake bites, are produced by immunizing animals with small amounts of venom and harvesting the antibodies. Many snake species face threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and human persecution. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these reptiles and maintain ecological balance. Public education and habitat preservation are key strategies in ensuring the survival of endangered snake species. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, capable of reaching lengths over 18 feet. Found in forests and mangroves of Southeast Asia, this snake preys primarily on other snakes. Its venom is highly neurotoxic, causing paralysis and potentially fatal respiratory failure. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra is generally reclusive and avoids human contact. Native to the southeastern United States, the eastern diamondback rattlesnake is the largest rattlesnake species, growing up to 8 feet long. It is known for its distinctive diamond-shaped pattern along its back and its characteristic rattling tail. This species uses its venom to immobilize prey such as rodents and birds. The rattlesnake's habitat includes dry pine forests, sandy woodlands, and coastal scrublands. The boa constrictor is a non-venomous snake found in tropical regions of Central and South America. It can grow up to 13 feet long and is known for its powerful constriction method of subduing prey. The boa constrictor's diet consists mainly of small mammals, birds, and lizards. This species is popular in the pet trade but requires specific care to thrive in captivity. The black mamba is one of Africa's most feared snakes due to its speed, aggression, and potent venom. It can grow up to 14 feet long and is capable of striking repeatedly with great precision. The black mamba's venom is a potent neurotoxin that can cause death within hours if untreated. Despite its fearsome reputation, it plays a crucial role in controlling rodent populations in its native habitat. The reticulated python is the world's longest snake, with some individuals exceeding 30 feet. Found in Southeast Asia, this non-venomous constrictor is known for its beautiful and complex pattern of scales. It preys on a variety of animals, including mammals, birds, and occasionally humans. The reticulated python's impressive size and strength make it a formidable predator. Snakes exhibit several types of locomotion to navigate their environments. Lateral undulation, the most common form, involves the snake propelling itself forward in an S-shaped motion. Other forms include sidewinding, used in sandy deserts, concertina movement, used in narrow spaces, and rectilinear motion, used by large heavy-bodied snakes like boas and pythons. Snakes have a unique respiratory system adapted to their elongated bodies. They possess only one functional lung, the right lung, which is elongated and extends most of the length of their body. Some species also have a rudimentary left lung. Snakes can control their breathing to stay submerged in water for extended periods or to remain still while hunting or hiding. As ectothermic animals, snakes rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. They engage in behaviors such as basking in the sun or seeking shade to maintain an optimal temperature range for digestion, reproduction, and overall physiological function. Some species, like the pit vipers, have heat-sensing pits that allow them to detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. Snakes play crucial roles in their ecosystems as both predators and prey. By controlling populations of rodents, insects, and other small animals, they help maintain ecological balance and prevent overpopulation. Conversely, snakes are preyed upon by a variety of animals, including birds of prey, larger mammals, and other snakes. This predation pressure influences their behavior and habitat selection. Some snakes, particularly those that consume birds and other seed-carrying animals, indirectly contribute to seed dispersal. By consuming these animals and later regurgitating or excreting the seeds, snakes help in the propagation of various plant species, promoting biodiversity within their habitats. Snakes can serve as indicator species, reflecting the health of their environments. Because they are sensitive to changes in habitat quality, pollution, and climate, monitoring snake populations can provide valuable insights into the overall condition of an ecosystem. Snake bites are a significant health concern in many parts of the world, particularly in rural areas of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. While the majority of snake species are non-venomous and pose little threat to humans, venomous snake bites can cause severe injury or death if not promptly treated. Efforts to reduce snakebite incidents include public education, improved medical care, and the development of effective